Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a positive session. Though it was up 100 points and it was positive for a major part of trading session or rather throughout the trading session. Nevertheless, it was seen struggling, and this 100 points upside towards the trading session was not seen in a very smooth manner. On the other hand, Nifty Bank was up 1% and that was strong throughout the day. Broader markets were also up by almost 1%. They also had a smooth sailing yesterday. It was Nifty that was having a lot of gyrations. It was up 130, 140 points at one point, 60, 70 points left at one point in time. Again, bounced towards 100 points gain. So it was not a very interesting session. More of a flat session. We opened on a gap up note and closed almost at the same level, around 23,300. Going forward, 23,150 is going to be the immediate support area. 23,000 is going to be a good support area. The overall texture remains positive, but we are not seeing the kind of bounce that even I was expecting after such a fast fall. Generally, the bounce is very fast and quick, but that is absent, that is missing in Nifty in the last couple of trading sessions. Today's move will depend a lot on how Infosys and Axis Bank behaves. Infosys and Axis came out with numbers. Now they are being perceived mixed. There's some beat in Infosys, but that is being attributed to one-off factor, and that resulted in around 4-5% fall in the US markets Infy ADR. And if one goes by that, then Infosys might open on a weak note, and if that happens, Nifty can also struggle. Axis numbers were in line, so at the best it might be flat, and if that happens, there's nothing to support Nifty on the opening hours. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 80 points cut as we speak, so in all likelihood we'll open on a mild negative note. Yesterday's low becoming quite important. 23,150 becoming important as I discussed earlier. US markets yesterday closed flat, mild negative, but nothing majorly down. It's more of a flattish move, around 20 bips lower, and that can also result in some consolidation in Indian markets as well, which are already struggling at higher levels. FI sold 4,300 crores, was in cash. Domestic 2,900 crores buying number. So FIs are continuously and relentlessly selling. These are not small numbers. 1,500, 2,000 crores is still within limits, but 4,000, 5,000, even 8,000 crores in a single day, this is a large number. And let us see how that impacts the market. Overall, your US bonds are down, dollar index is down. That can result in some upside in equity markets. But again, that is not giving a push. But nevertheless, that is indeed a positive sign. The next major factor to watch out for is going to be Brent crude, trading around $80, $81. Once it sustains 81, it can swiftly go towards $90. If that happens, equity will again have some pressure going forward. For now, let us wait how Nifty opens. Do not be in a hurry to buy, and it dips towards 23,200, 180, and sustaining of that, one can keep at 50-60 point stop loss and buy for 23,400 kind of levels. That will be from my side. Thank you.
The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.